Your mind has been processing thousands of signals today. It's heavy. It's loud. It's time to let it go. Put your phone down right now. Feel the silence that follows. You aren't missing anything out there. You are finding yourself in here. Take a deep breath. In for 4, out for 4. 5 seconds pause. The digital world is an illusion. This moment, this breath, is real. Reclaiming your peace is a revolutionary act. Every time you choose stillness over scrolling, you win back your life. Stay in this silence for a few more minutes. You deserve this rest. Welcome to the Peaceful Equation.